Gula ini poyandu dulu.
Yeah, that means to this property, this object is injected or not injected, guys. Come on, guys. See, guys, it is looking lengthy. It is looking lengthy. Now, what is left? Even employee is also left, guys. Target class configurations. Target class configuration. Are target employee is also having what? DOP, date of birth. So I have to take one more date representing date of birth or not. So let us assume here EMP DOB date. EMP DOB date. Here, what is there? 1900. Anything you give, it will take 1900 plus. Suppose 1990, 11th month, that means 12th month. Okay, 5th date. This is date of birth, guys. Come on. Super. Next. Bean ID EMP. Class is equal to employee. Class is equal to employee. Are you understanding my statement? Array date class, any year you take, it will take 1900 plus. Any year you take, it will take 1900 plus. Okay. The, the given value will be added to 1900. 1900. That's why we give the remaining numbers 1900 plus 90, 1990. 1900 plus 110, 2010. Okay. Tell me, guys, on employee class, what is the injection we have taken, guys? Setter injection. How many setter methods are there? Multiple setter methods are there. So multiple times you should write property tag or not. Property name, ENO, value is equal to 101. Property name, E name, value is equal to Rajesh. Property name, come on, what is there next? Property name, ENO, E name, salary, what is there? Value is equal to 300. Property name. Are you listening my statement, guys? Property name, property name. Okay. Tell me here. Salary is already done. DOB, DOB. DOB is an object type. Then what is that? Ref. EMP, DOB, DT. Super. Date type. Property name. Next. Department. That is also reference type. Ref is equal to, what should I inject? DEPT. DEPT. Come on, guys. See, guys, these are looking very lengthy. Construct hyphen arg tag, lengthy property tags. Come on. Okay, I'll execute like this. I will get the output also, boss. But these are very lengthiness. Within the bean tag itself, we can complete the injection, Ra Babu. Okay. C and P namespace test. C and P namespace test. Cool. Next. Create IOC container. Create what container? IOC container. What is this? Default listable bean factory. Factory is equal to new default listable bean factory. Tell me. XML bean definition reader. Reader is equal to new XML bean definition reader of factory. Next. Reader dot load bean definitions com/nt/application context.xml. Cool. Get Spring Bean class object reference. Okay. Tell me, target Spring Bean class object reference. Employee EMP is equal to factory.getBean EMP employee.class. Super. Sysout EMP. End of the main method, end of the class. End of the main method, end of the class. Comfortable, guys? Array, this is old constructor hyphen arg tag only, Rabo. See, guys, department 3-param constructor. Okay, actually, I didn't write constructors everywhere. Super. Systrace employee colon 0-param constructor. Next, systrace this. Systrace this. Systrace this. Systrace this. Systrace this. Systrace this. Done. C and P namespace test. Come on, guys. All are injected or not injected? Number, name, date of birth, salary. Again, department object is injected. Again, department is having department number, department name, size, start date. But problem is what, guys? We are writing everything lengthy manner, guys. We are writing everything in lengthy manner. Come on. Okay. Lengthy property tag, lengthy constructor hyphen arg tag. Shall we go for it now? Alternate. Now I commented everything. Oh, problem with the comment is existing comments are gone. So now let me comment set by set. Comment 1, comment 2. Comment 1, comment 2, guys. Cool. Comment 1, comment 2, guys. Super, guys. Next. How to comment? Okay. To comment. Comment. Multiple lines, guys. Lines. What is this? Control plus shift plus. Okay. Backward slash. To uncomment multiple lines. To uncomment multiple lines. Control plus shift plus forward slash. To comment a single line. To comment a single line. Maybe Java code, maybe XML. Same story. To comment. Okay, array, one is forward, one is backward. To remove backward, to enable forward. Okay, to comment or uncomment. Single line, guys. Single line. Control plus shift plus C. Control plus shift plus C. One C will comment, one time it will comment, another time it will uncomment. One time it will enable comment, another time it will disable comment. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. Applicable for both XML and Java code. Super, guys. Sir, sys out and sys trace also shortcut ra babu. Sys out and sys trace itself shortcut ra Kunal Kumar. Come on, my dears. Okay. Same for XML comma Java coding. Right, boss. Next. Okay. Sys out. Those are asking these shortcuts today, na, I can say they are not practicing, guys. Because you are supposed to learn these things in core Java learning, right? Sys out. Okay. Sys out plus control plus space. Use system.out.println without message. Copy. Sys out. Control plus space. Sys out. Control plus space. Sys trace. Sorry. Give system.out.println with message. With log message, guys. We are in the so and so method kind of thing. Right. Okay. Let's not deviate from original discussion, guys. Okay. Now, dependent configuration. Now, focus. Dependent configuration. Let's have a look. Bean ID. Now, what is this? DEPT start date DT. Start DT. I am keeping that as it is. Class is what, guys? Java.util.date. Start is java.util.date. Okay. On date class, what performing? Set rejection. All these are simple property. Simple property means what? We already imported P namespace and C namespace. P and C are imported. P colon. Come on. P colon year. P colon year. What is the year, guys? 2010, that department is started. P colon month. See, interesting or not? What is the month? 10th month. P colon date. P colon date. What is there? 23rd. This is my dependent class configuration, Rabab. This is my dependent class configuration. Next, I will configure DEPT, guys. Are you enjoying? In single line, everything is over. Short form or not? Arey, feel it, ra babu. Feel it. Department. Department. On department class, what is the injection we are looking for? Constructor. Constructor means C namespace. C colon DNO. C colon DNO. Okay. What is this? 1001. C colon D name. D name. What is the D name, guys? What is the D name I have taken? Oh, Rajana. Sorry. Okay, we'll take a department name is accounts department. D name. What is there? Accounts. Next. C colon size. Department size. 100 employees. C colon DEPT start date. Start date ref. Why start date is having ref, guys? Array, it is object type now, boss. It is object type. It is not a simple type. It is a reference type or object type. DEPT start date. Ref is extra, guys. Ref is extra. Guys, in single line, bean configuration and constructor injection is over or not? In single line, bean configuration and constructor injection is over or not? Are you thoroughly enjoying these discussions, guys? Are you thoroughly enjoying these discussions, guys? Single line only, boss. Next. Okay. Target class configurations. Target class configurations, guys. Have a look on now. Bean ID. DOB date. Class is equal to date. Class is equal to date, guys. Tell me. P colon year. What is that, guys? P colon year. P colon year. 90. P colon month. 11th month. P colon date. Some 5th or 6th day. Different values also can be given. Next. Okay. DOB date is ready. Setter injection, guys. Next. Bean ID EMP. Class is equal to minutes gone wrong. Minutes are taken. Let's take month. Let's take month. Minutes also can be injected, but I am not interested. Okay. Here is what? Employee. Employee. Class is equal to employee. Next one. P colon constructor injection. What is this? ENO 101. P colon E name. What is this? Rajesh. P colon. Array, setter injection run employee class. What injection ra babu? Setter injection. For setter injection, C colon, P colon. Pradeep Kumar, please focus, Ram, my dear. Don't mug up the code. P colon, come on. Salary. Salary also simple value. 90,000. Next, P colon. DOB. DOB is a reference type, object type. Tell me, DOB DT. DOB DT. Next, P colon, DEPT. That is also reference type, DEPT ref. Tell me, DEPT ref. Tell me, DOB. DOB start date. Not sorry. DEPT, guys. DEPT. Got the clarity, my dear? That's it, guys. That's it. Here is my dependent class configuration. Here is my target class configuration. Got it, my dear? Yes. Here is my employee. 101 Rajesh, 90,000 DOB DT DEPT. See, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Here, nearly 20 plus lines. What is good, guys? P namespace and C namespace is really, really good or not? Run the application now. As usually, run the application, boss. Okay. Right. It simplifies our life or not? Okay. Let's click on it. Same output, guys. No change in this. Output is same. Nothing is missing. Raja, Rajesh, date of birth, salary. Okay. Right, guys. Harika Nallabotu. Madam, after listening entire Ramayana, you are asking who is Sita, madam. P namespace for setter injection, C namespace for constructor injection. Can I guess why you are asking this question? Because you missed starting 15 minutes of the class. You seriously missed starting 15 minutes of the class. Sorry to say directly on your face. Guys, no difference between C namespace and B namespace. Huh? Whenever I use a P namespace, it is calling setter methods, right? When I give answer to your question, keep the habit of responding in the chat box. Don't be mummy in the classroom. Dummy or mummy in the classroom. Setter methods, guys. Whenever I used C namespace, see, here I used C namespace, guys, for department number. Then it is executing constructor. If someone says both are same, hats off to their listening capability. Hats off. I should keep your photograph in the museum. Why museum, except for display, no use. Okay. People think that museum pieces are great pieces. In museum, only useless old pieces only will be kept. Muddy fellows. In the name itself, there na P, property tag, setter injection. C, constructor -arg tag, constructor injection. Alexa, activate class. Right, boss? Let me give the code to you people. Example application. See, clearly I have written C namespace. To perform constructor injection configuration, instead of using lengthy constructor-arg tag, we can use C namespace specifier. Clearly I have written, guys. To perform setter injection, instead of using lengthy property tags, we can use P namespace support. Right now, boss? Here syntax also I have given. Simple property, reference property. This is for simple property, this is for reference property. Nice. Okay, guys. First department.java, guys. This is my department class, my dear. employee.java, guys. Here is my employee.java, guys. Here is my application context.xml, guys.